Tempstar is always running. It's 2004 Tempstar. Now, so I don't know if I have a video of it, but maybe I do have a glimpse of it when I was walking to the Bryant. And yeah, there it is. Okay, so you guys remember that old rusty air conditioner that was below that window? They replaced it for some reason. My neighbors replaced it with a bigger P-Tech unit. I don't know what brand it is. It looks like an Amana. I know that's an Amana because that's an Amana P-Tech. I just know it. And that's bigger. The coil on it is blue. Barely. And as you can see, it's bigger. And I'm gonna go take a look at it. The Tempstar from a side view. Like, I don't... Is it running? Is it running? Because it's kind of quiet. It's not running. It was running a couple of days ago when they first put it in. I was near it the other. I hear a compressor coming from over there, but the Tempstar is also running because it couldn't make something a little quieter. I hear. It might be the trees, but I hear a buzz. Is it? It's not running, it's off. It's the trees back there. That's what it is. If it was running, I would have heard it. It's not that loud. Even though that one actually looks older than that one for some reason. Like the side looks newer, but the front looks older. I don't get that. To be honest, I don't really get that. And that looks blue. It is blue. The camera doesn't do justice. Camera doesn't do justice. And I mean that. I can't see the compressor in there. The cameras do nothing justice to nothing. Even though I film with my phone. And this Tempstar is very quiet. And the camera might not do anything. And I've heard that unit run once. And it's still pretty quiet. I think the original unit that was in its place was quieter, but it's still quiet. I couldn't hear the compressor, but I heard the fan running. There's a plane right there, and there's another one right there. That looks like a fighter jet. It looks like a fighter jet, but I don't think it is. I think it's one of those planes that actually have like the propeller in front of them. The hell is it? I lost it. Yeah, I hear it. It's not a fighter jet. It looked like a fighter jet for some reason. Like the angle the camera at was the angle of the camera at that I was filming it. They made it look like a fighter jet, but it wasn't. I heard it. Where is it now? It's back there. But as you can see, this one looks totally different, but newer. And this one looks smaller. Hi.